Gurudev, how can one become the person everyone likes to be around? Can you please share 5 tips?
If you want to be liked, first thing you should stop judging others. Someone who is judgmental, who passes judgments about others all the time, is never liked. Number one. So, look back and see how often you are judging others. Number one. The second thing is wanting attention and recognition from others will also stop you by being liked by others. You do what you need to do. Don't look for recognition from others. Then you will be liked by everybody. Because you are not looking for someone's approval or recognition for your work. Just imagine there is someone in front of you who are trying to draw your attention all the time, who expects you to recognize them. Would you like it? Huh? How many of you say you don't like it? Raise your hand. Someone is wanting to draw your attention all the time. Would you like it? Someone wants you to recognize them. Tell, oh, you did this, oh, you did this, oh, you brought me 10 bananas the other day. Who remembers? Someone would have brought you 10 bananas and you would have given 12 back to others. Do you keep remembering? No. So stop wanting attention and recognition from others. Then you will be liked by people. Third thing is, don't brood over the past or dig the past and ask others explanation. If you are riding on others' mistake or pointing out fingers to others and showing them mistake again and again, then also people don't like you so much. Don't you think so? Do you like to be with someone who always make you feel guilty? No. You stop making others feel guilty and start showing one-upmanship in your dealing with others. Don't make them feel you are bigger, you are better than you. That one-upmanship, trying to show that, is detrimental for your relation with others. They might recognize in you, they might recognize your greatness. That is a different issue. They may see you are very wise. Let them do that. But you trying to show them, make them feel small and you feel that you are better than them, one-upmanship, that will not make others like you so much. Then honesty. Don't be too sweetie, wiggly. Try to be goody. When you do that, people see through that. If you are honest, straightforward, at the same time not rude, often people who are straightforward, they think being rude is being straightforward. Or often people who are rude, they go under the garb of straightforwardness. I am a plain speaker, I am straightforward, I'll speak it on the face. This type of arrogance or rudeness is not what people will appreciate. If you want to have better relationship with others, be honest, be straightforward, but not rude. That's a very fine balance there, very delicate balance. If you can do that, if you have this skill, then nobody will dislike you. And you stop wanting them to like you. That's already I said, when you stop wanting the recognition from them. Correct? So, this you are wanting others to recognize you is detrimental for you to have good relationship.